Go.
Hi fans, this is Liz and this is the fabulous Fabian. He's from England. He needs to learn about real estate in Michigan. So let's start. What's your question?
So basically, as a first-time buyer coming to Michigan, I've no experience of the real estate market here. So just what are the basics of buying a house, the first steps really? Okay,
first step, find great realtors. Doesn't have to be me or Kayla, but we are the best. Okay, got that over with. Actually, the first step is to get pre-approved. And a couple of things, and we'll talk about lenders later. You do want to have a local lender that is incredibly responsive. Those things are great. But you need to find out what you can afford. You need to think about your monthly payment. And your lender will direct you in a lot of ways. The lender is going to tell you how much money you need to put down, what programs you qualify for, and you don't have to put 20% down. In most cases, especially if you have good credit, you can find programs that are 1% down, rural home is 0 down, 3 to 5% down on FHA. There are a lot of things that you could worry about, but don't worry, because your lender, a good lender, will lead you, tell you what you need, tell you if you need to earn a little bit more down payment, save a little bit more down payment, that kind of thing. Then we need to talk about the neighborhoods that you like, how close you need to be to work. Some people actually have restrictions as to how close they need to be to their job. What it'll cost to commute if you decide you want to live an hour away on a lake or something.
Sure.
All of those things come into play. And then also, a good realtor will put you in a vehicle, drive you around, see what you're comfortable with neighborhood-wise. Do you need sidewalks to walk your dog, or to the baby stroller, walk the baby stroller?
Okay.
Are you a big hiker? Do you want to be close to a park? Do you want to be close to water? Do you have a pet that requires a fenced yard, or a toddler that requires a fenced yard? All of those things are sort of basic needs. We need to discuss whether or not you feel that you have to have a garage. Or how do you say it?
A garage.
A garage, yes. Or a fenced yard. You call that a garden?
Yep.
But yeah.
Okay, lovely.
So yeah, all of those things. Find a good realtor. Get pre-approved. Get pre-approved by, it helps to get pre-approved by someone that your realtor works with often. That helps as well. And we'll handle other things soon.